We're going to make this recipe out of the Medical Medium Life-Changing Foods book. It's called the Grape Slushy. In this recipe, you need to start with 4 cups of frozen grapes. I like to use organic grapes. Once you have your grapes, pour them into your Vitamix. Then you're going to need some coconut water. When you're looking at your coconut water, make sure you read the ingredients and it only has organic coconut water in it, no other ingredients. You're going to need 3 cups of organic or just regular coconut water. You're going to pour the coconut water in your Vitamix. Once you put everything in your Vitamix, you can see about how much it makes. It actually makes a large amount, so if you want to cut this recipe in half, you can. Once you're done and have everything in your Vitamix, blend it all up really well. And that's it. You can see how much it makes, pour it in a cup, and enjoy.